Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mona and today I'm gonna show you 3 no-gos for dreadlocks. Okay, the first thing you want to avoid when having dreadlocks is wearing them in a bun the whole time, because this is gonna create a lot of tension on your roots, and it's gonna be uncomfortable for your scalp at one point, and also your hairline might move, and I'm pretty sure you don't want that to happen. Number 2 is not to hydrate your dreadlocks at all, because your dreads, they need some love. You need to hydrate them with oil, for example the one from Dreadlocks, or there's some other dreadlock oil that you can use. And you want to use the oil because otherwise your hair might break, and this is not going to look nice because you will have dead ends in your dreads. By the way, if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, put a thumbs down, I don't care. Just one little thing, I will be starting a new little screenshot challenge in most of my videos where you can take a screenshot now and then you can share it on your Instagram story, put some nice gifs and emojis there and tag me, and I will be shouting out the most creative and funny ones. Anyways, number 3 of the no-gos when having dreadlocks is to keep them wet for too long. Because when you wash your dreadlocks, you might want to make sure that you have your dreads dry within a few hours. You don't want to go to sleep with wet hair, because first of all, it's not good for your health. Secondly, wet dreadlocks can collect more fluff than dry dreadlocks. And I have heard horror stories of dreadlocks having mold inside when you don't dry them. But I don't want to scare you. To be honest, I have never met a dreadlock that had mold inside their dreads, so I think it is just a horror story. So don't worry about that, but still it's not nice to have wet dreads for too long. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you next time. Bye!